Not yet sure of how much to pay for registration of JAMB, so just watch this video. I've told you that in our channel our goal is to help you to score at least 300 and above in your JAMB this year, and some of you have been claiming it. Our prayer, and I am seriously preparing you to score at least 300 in your JAMB. That is why we have been reviewing the book Lucky Headmaster. We have been reviewing it for you and doing other things. In this video, I'm going to share with you how much you should get ready to pay for your JAMB. Also, at the end of this video, if you want me to send you past questions, JAMB past questions, I will send it to you free of charge. If you want me to send you the syllabus for your 4 subjects, it will be sent to you free of charge. So just watch this video now from beginning to the end, so that you can get all those things. Let's look at the payments. Remember, I've always said start early to save, start early to study, right? If you are writing UTME, that is normal JAMB or direct entry, the application fee is 3,500 naira. 3,500 naira is what we call the e-pin, the electronic pin. The e-pin, some of you don't know how to buy your e-pin. If you don't know how to buy your electronic pin, I will attach a video on this. I will attach a video we have done on our channel for you to quickly watch and start the process of buying your electronic pin, right? Okay, so it's quite simple. It's a quite simple thing. So if you are writing UTME only without mock, if you are writing it without mock, you pay 7,002. If you are writing with mock, you know what we call JAMB mock, you pay 8,007, right? Without mock is 7,002. With mock is 8,700. So the application fee, this is the breakdown. The application fee is 3,500, right? The reading tests, how much that book Lucky Headmaster is 1,000 naira. If you have not gotten the book, you want to get it through our channel, just watch to the end and I will share with you, tell you how you can get it. Also in our channel, we have summarized it chapter by chapter. We have also done summary of the questions that will come out from this book Lucky Headmaster by Abe Kalba. It's also in our channel. If you want me to send you the link, I will send it to you. These things are the things that will help you to prepare. Remember, I say you must score at least 300 in your JAMB. If you claim it, come under the comment section and tell me you claim it. Every follower of this channel must score at least 300 plus in your JAMB. Then if you pay for the book, then CBT Center, where you will be registering the JAMB, they will charge you a registration charge of 700 naira. Are you with me? There will be a registration charge of 700 naira. Okay, let's move on. Okay, after this, I've said the CBT Center will charge you 700 naira. The CBT Center UTME charge will be 1,500 naira. CBT mock service charge, if you are writing the mock, will be 1,500 naira. Bank charge will be 5,000 naira. All these will come together to give us, if you are writing UTME with mock, it will give us 8,700. If you are writing it without mock, it will give us 7,200. Basically, what I need you to do is begin now to get yourself ready. Go to our channel and watch other videos we have done. Those videos we have done on how to get your e-pin. Those videos we have done on how to register, get your profile code. Those videos we have done on Lucky Headmaster. Those videos we have done on other videos. Now, if you want me to send you the past questions, what you just need to do is 3 things. Like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you do those 3 things, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once you type I have subscribed, I will send those things free of charge to you. Remember, just basically keep aside 8,700, approximately 9,000 for your JAMB registration. Thank you. Subscribe and watch this next video.